A fresh box crackles open, and the NovaStudio AI Mindform keyboard slides out with a soft magnetic snap and a glow that hints at its hidden power. Its chassis blends aluminum and graphene, while per-key OLEDs shimmer to display macros and mood lighting, instantly signaling a tailored setup. The tactile switches whisper when pressed, and the built-in AI analyzes your typing rhythm to optimize key stiffness and response time for faster creativity. I test software shortcuts, media control, and coding modes, and the keyboard answers with satisfying haptic feedback and adaptive layouts. Overall, this desk companion feels like a future-proof partner that makes every keystroke feel intentional and inspiring.